G'day guys, we're back here with the Ryobi One Plus 18 volt system. We've got the Ryobi XIW-3100 impact wrench that we think is a very good gift for the Father's Day coming up, and we want to show you how to remove a tire quickly. And then you can put it back again. So guys, just to let you know that this unit is very nice to use with any 1/4-inch socket set. So you can basically use it to loosen any nuts and tighten any nuts on a 1/4-inch socket set. Just taking the bit off in front there and it clips off and on again, and you can use it like that.